So it's pretty simple. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And TikTok is mainly known for its 1 minute content. In TikTok, you can watch a content within 1 minute. You can also post content of 10 minutes. It's a new feature they added, but we don't have to know more in depth about that. You can know about these things once you start using them. But before you start using them, you need to have an account. So let me teach you guys how you guys can create an account, or in another word, how you guys can sign up for TikTok. You download TikTok from a Play Store or App Store and open it like this. Go on versus profile. And in profile, click on login or sign up. And over here, we want to sign up. So you want to choose which method you want to use. You can even use your Google or your Apple ID, your Twitter, your Facebook, or use your phone number or email. So if I want to create an account separately, I'm going to click on use phone or email. And over here, choose a date of birth. After you choose a date of birth, click on next. And over here, you need to enter your phone number. But if you don't have a phone number, you can just go on email like I'm doing. So I'm going to do that real quick and enter your email and click on next. And over here, it's going to ask you to choose a password for your account. So choose a password for your account over here. And then what you want to do is click on versus next. Once you click on next, your TikTok account should be created. So that's how you guys can sign up for TikTok account. But if you want to use your Google account, you can just click on continue with Google. Once you click on Gmail, it's going to ask you to enter your Gmail's information. After entering your Gmail's information, your TikTok account should be created under all the information listed on your Gmail.